The Bray Series 41R high-performance butterfly valve provides reliable performance in harsh sugar and ethanol applications. The 41R is engineered for demanding sugar processing environments, including evaporator steam applications where enhanced sealing and durability are essential. Its double offset design provides reliable, bubble-tight performance under steam conditions, offering a robust alternative to resilient seated valves. The design ensures reliable bidirectional sealing that operates independently of line pressure, maintaining tight shutoff even in low-pressure steam environments. This feature is especially valuable in sugar processing applications, where consistent sealing performance is critical for evaporator steam service. The seat is designed for quick replacement using standard tools, minimizing downtime and streamlining field maintenance. This feature supports efficient turnaround in demanding environments like sugar processing, where operational continuity is key. The 41R features both internal and external stem retention systems that safeguard against stem blowout, reinforcing valve integrity and enhancing operator safety. This robust design is especially valuable in high-cycle or steam service environments, where personnel protection and equipment reliability are paramount.